Now we will see question number 36a part. You can see and match the question from your book. In question number 36, we have given a balance sheet of Quick Games Limited. It is clear. In this share capital, you can see at the opening it is given 2 lakh rupees and closing capital is also 2 lakh rupees. That means there is no inflow of share capital. Now reserve and surplus is given 20,000 at the beginning of the year and 1,25,000 at the end of the year. Long term borrowings are given 50,000 and 70,000, 75,000. You can find the question in your book. This question may be in your book, it may be of your 32 number question or 33 number question, or it may be of your 34 number question. It is clear. So you can just match it. You just match the figures. I am going to start the question now. So cash flow from operating activities, and in this we will have the first statement, that is of your net profit before tax. So we will calculate it, then only whether it is profit or loss. So I am just going to turn the page. I have already calculated it here so that we can save the time of the video. Here reserve and surplus balance at the end of the year is given 1,25,000 and at the opening it is given 20,000, and if we will subtract it, it is a negative balance. If we will subtract it, then it is 1,05,000. So we have to add in this proposed dividend for the previous year or provision for a tax made during the current year. It is clear. Though both the things we have added in this, so it is your 20,000 is proposed dividend and the provision for tax during the year is 15,000, and we have added, it will be your 1,40,000. So it is a positive balance. So we can see or write here that the net profit before tax, it is net profit before tax. So I am going to write here net profit before tax, note number 1. It is my net profit, PRO, profit before, BEFORE, before tax, and I have written here note number 1. We got it. It is of your 1,40,000. After that we have to go for our adjustments. What are the adjustment? Non-cash and non-operating items. That is of your adjustment, ADJUSTMENTS, adjustments. So you can see here that the adjustment for non-cash and non-operating items we have to add in this depreciation on fixed assets. So on fixed asset we have make a separate account, that is our depreciation account, that is note number 3. That amount we will write later on. The next is your interest paid on your long-term borrowing. So you can see interest paid on long-term borrowings is given 8,000 rupees. It is given 8,000 rupees. It is clear. After that nothing is given, so we will put the line here, and whatever the calculation we will get here, that will be of your operating profit before working capital change. So it is what? Operating, OPERATING, operating profit, PROFIT, profit before, BEFORE, before working capital, WORKING, working capital, CAPITL, capital, CHANGES, changes. Now we will go for the this depreciation on fixed asset, and we have to make, in this we have to make purchase of fixed asset account also. So both the accounts we will see now. To save the time of the video, I have already created these two accounts. You can see fixed asset account first of all we have make. So it is your opening balance and this is your closing balance. It is clear. It is given in the question, and closing balance figure is 3,75,000. We have copied this figure over here. Now we will find out the balance, because this asset, it is of your by bank, बिका तो है नहीं कोई एसेट, नो इन्फॉर्मेशन इज गिवन. देन बाय योर लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ एसेट, दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन इज नॉट गिवन, एंड बाय डेप्थ ऑन द एसेट, दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन इज नॉट गिवन. सो दिस वी कैन सी हियर. So information for the balance, that is of 1,55,000. This is the purchase amount of the asset. After that account, this is of note number 3. It is note number 3, account accumulated depreciation. So it is of your opening balance. This side you will get closing balance. I have already written here. It is what? Opening balance. This brought down is for opening balance. This carried down for closing balance. The difference for the year you got, this is 52,000. We have transferred the amount 52,000 on this side. Now 36 subtracted 52,000, so it is your 16,000 rupees is the depreciation for the current year. It is clear. So whole on the plant and machinery, that the whole depreciation was your 16,000. And keep the thing in your mind that in note number 2, that the purchase value of a machinery is 1,55,000. It is clear. Now we will go to the question. So you can see here we had a depreciation that is of your 16,000. हमने depreciation देखा था 16,000. So I have written it here. Now while calculating it, it will be of your 1,56,000. It is 1,64,000. 1,64,000 rupees. It is clear. Now after that we will add decrease in current assets and increase in current liabilities. Then after less increase in current assets and less increase in current liabilities. So I have already written it. Now we will see the current asset, decrease in current assets. We have here two current assets, that is of your trade payables, trade receivables, RECEI VABLE, trade receivables. How much amount is decreased here? That decreased amount is your 24,000 in the question. Now prepared, PREPAID, prepaid expenses, EXPEN expenses, it is of your 2,000 rupees. So you can see it is of your 26,000 rupees, which we have to add in the above amount. So if we will add the 26,000, it will be, it with this amount was of your 1,64,000. Now this amount is of your 1,90,000. 90,000, 1,90,000 it is clear. In this we have to subtract increase in current assets, and there is a increase in current asset, that is your IN, inventory, INVENTORY, inventory. So it is of inventory is of your 22,000 rupees. It should be less, so I am going to keep the thing in your bracket. Now decrease in your current liabilities, trade payables, TRATE, trade, PAYABLES, trade payables. How much decrease is there in trade payables? That is of your 26,000 is decrease in your trade payables. So addition of these two is of your 48,000. So this 48,000 rupees we have to subtract from the above. So we will get the information here, that will be of your 1,42,000. 1,42,000. It is clear. This 1,42,000, in this we have to see the payment of tax for the 17, that also we have to subtract from there. So here we will write payment, PAYMENT, payment of tax for the year, that is of your for the year year 2017. You just go through the in format it is given. So this 10,000 rupees we have paid for the tax. So now we will have here, that is of your 1,32,000 rupees, and this amount is of your net cash from operating activity. So I am going to write it here. It is of your net cash, CS, cash from FROM, from operating, OPERATING, operating activity, ACTIVITIES activity. So this amount is to be transferred in final amount, that is of your 1,32,000 rupees. It is clear. Now we will go for the next activity, that is your B number activity. What is your B number activity? That is cash flow from investing activity. Cash flow, FLOWS, flows from FROM, from INVESTING, investing, ACTIVITIES activities. In this we will have purchase of a fixed asset. It is PURCHASE, purchased of your FIXED, fixed asset. This already we have drawn, that is note number 2, note number 2, and the amount was 1,55,000. 1 lakh, it is your 55,000 rupees, and nothing, no other information is given. That's why this will be of your cash outflow from your, that cash used in your in investing activity. So we will write here your net cash used, USED, used in investing, INVESTING, investing activity, ACTIVITIES, activities, that is of your 1,55,000, and it is a negative because outflow. The same amount we will write in the final column. It is clear. Now the third activity we will have, what is our C activity? Yes, very good. That is your cash flows, FLOWS, flows from FROM, from financing activity, FINANCING, financing, ACTIVITIES, activities. So in this activity, financing activity, we will have, I am just going to shift the paper up. Okay, so here we will have proceed of long term borrowing, PROCEEDS, proceed FROM, from long term, LONG, long, TERM, term, BORROWINGS, borrowings. So it is already given you 25,000 rupees long term borrowing. Then payment of dividend, your PAYMENT, payment for DIVIDEND, dividend for 2017, that is of your negative 20,000, negative 20,000. And your payment of interest, now PAYMENT, payment for INTEREST, interest, that is of your negative 8,000 rupees, negative 8,000 rupees. Anything else? Nothing else. So we will calculate this figure. So it is net cash used in, it is your net CASH, cash, USED, used in, FINANCING, financing, ACTIVITIES, activities. So you see how much net cash we have used here, that is of your negative your 3,000. This negative 3,000 we have used, send over here. Now the statements of the question started, that is of your, in this that calculation of this will be of your net decrease in cash and cash equivalent, because it is decreased amount. So here you can write net, your DECREAS, decreased in your CASH, cash. So it is 26,000 negative balance. Now we have to add in this, that is of your cash and cash equivalent in the beginning of the period. So we will add, it is your cash and our cash equivalent, EQUIVALENTS, equivalent in the beginning, your in the BEGINNING, beginning of the period, of the PERIOD period. So it is given you 59,000. Now you can see and check whatever the amount we are getting here, whether that is cash and cash equivalent at the end of the year is equal or not. So here we are going to have an amount, that is our positive 33,000. It is positive 33,000. So see in the question whether this amount is your cash and your cash equivalent, EQUIVALENTS, at the beginning, your at the end of the year होना चाहिए, at the your end of the period, PERIOD period. It is clear. Now you can note down this question. From here you can take a screenshot, one screenshot you can take, and after taking screenshot of this you can go for the screenshot of the lower part of the solution, this. Now you can take another screenshot of this to write in your classwork copy, and the additional, that is of your calculation of the working note, you can have a screenshot of this, so that you can write this in your classwork copy. Okay beta ji, note down it.